My name is James Kaira, Chief Executive Officer for St Jamefas Training Excel Money Transaction Limited. We are located in Lusaka. We joined FasterCapital in October 2025. That is last year. Upon joining them, we found that the team of experts we found, we are so amazing, and they really helped us. The feedback which they gave was so constructive that they pointed out the areas and the gaps where we are lagging in the material we gave them. And then what they showed us was so important that we are now able to understand and come up with the right financial model, a business plan, and the pinch deck. So FasterCapital has really helped us so much. The expertise they provided for us was so helpful, and now we have confidence to approach the investors and this particular time when we are actually looking forward and raising $1.6 million to build our product. We really thank you, FasterCapital, for what they have done.